Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will be learning how to design our ebook covers using the Canva app. So once you log into or once you get into Canva using www.canva.com, this is where it brings you to. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account and it's very easy. Just type in your details and a free account will be created for you. If you already have an account, just sign in using your email and your password and you'll be brought to this place. So this is the screen you are going to see as soon as you sign in. Then you now come and click on create a design. There's so many kinds of designs you can create on Canva, but instead of going through each and every one of the options, since we already know what we want to design, you just simply start searching for ebook cover. Here you have it. So you select ebook cover. And like I said, you need to pick an image that best illustrates your ebook. So make sure you have an image already saved in your phone or your laptop that best describes your ebook. So I'm going to be showing us, two different options. Now, if your ebook, look at the various options that we have here. If it's on romance, you click on, so you can come to the search bar here and just search for what you want. Maybe it's on health and fitness. So you just type health and fitness or something. Let's see whether we find that. Okay, so we just type health and fitness. Okay, so see the various health and fitness ebook covers that we have. Now note something. This one's where you have this what's it called now, this cap, this graduation cap. Those are for the people with the paid or the pro version of Canva. If you select them, the meaning is that it's going to have watermark, or less, of course you are using the pro version. So these are the various designs that we have. So we're going to pick something that is free. Let's pick this one. So we have like four different pages, but we're just going to just choose only the first one. Then this is where you now edit. This is where you put the title of your book. So maybe you just put good, and I'm just guessing, good dieting, and then you this is your tagline. If you don't need anything, if you have a complete guide, you can put it there. If you don't have complete guide, you can just delete that. So this is it. If you don't want this to be here, the tagline, you can just click on it and delete it. If you don't want this to be here, you can just click on it and delete it. So that's how to design your ebook cover. So this is me just simply editing it. Now, okay, so this is me just simply editing it. Then you want to insert your name here. So what you just do is come to the text bar by the side, and then choose a text. So I just clicked on the text bar. If you pick add a heading, it will give you a very big heading. If you put add a subheading, it will give you a smaller heading. If you put add a little body, so depending on how bold you want your write-up to be, we're going to delete the last one. We're also going to be deleting the second one. We're also sorry about that. I just deleted the image. So what highlighted was different. So we're going to be deleting this one. And then this one will now say fit, fitness guru. Maybe this is the title of our ebook, just giving an example. You can move it up here so that it will be very visible. So now you want to put your name. So you can select the second option, you know. Then what's your name? Probably you just type in Juliet as your name. Then click on it and just drag it somewhere by the side. Now the writing looks very small, we can't see it. So you come here and then you increase the font size. Now this looks bigger. So you have the name clearly written here and it is bigger. If you don't like this image that is here, you just click on it and then you remove the image. So here you have a blank canvas where you can put an image. Like I said, you either download your image from the sites I provided, or you use the one that Canva has. So I'm going to show us photos that Canva has. So these are the pictures that Canva has. So you just come here and you just search for fitness, or you type health. So these are the various fitness photos that we have. So we can use this one. So what you now have to do is to click on it and then drag it, and see how you can probably fill the place, fill this space up with it. Now now that, sorry, I've deleted that. Let me undo. So now we have filled it up with the image. You see that the name is not so clear. So we're going to click on the name again, and then you come here to the text color and try and change the color. So we change it to blue. Blue is not really popping. We change it to, I don't know what that color is. It's not really giving us what we want. We can change it to red. I think red kind of gives us what we want. So we can stick with red. If you don't like where this is, you can always click on it and then come here and then change the position of your text. Whether you want it to be at the back. So we have moved the text backward. We can't find it again. We don't want that. So I have to undo that. So this is how you design your cover generally. Now I have used a template and I have edited it. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to design your cover from scratch. Now, if you are satisfied with everything that is going on here, you like your cover, you like everything that is here, you just come here to the share and then you click on it. When you click on the share button, then you come to copy link. So when you click on the share button, sorry, you click on download, and then when you select download, it will give you various options. This is the file type: PNG, PDF, and all of that. So we're going to choose PNG. It's the best kind of photo to download, and then you now select download, and automatically you have your design downloaded into your system. Now, this is the first example. If you have a template and you want to edit it, I'm going to show us another example. So let me delete the entire page, everything here. Let me just remove everything, and then we start again with this. So okay, fine. I can just add another page. Let's just forget about that. So this is it. We have a blank canvas. We want to design from scratch. Now, let's say you have downloaded your image from the sites I gave. So you come here to your uploads. So when you come to the upload, you now click on upload file, and then you select upload file, and the upload file takes you to your PC. So you come to your PC and then you select the file that you want to upload. So that's what we're going to be doing. So you just select any file, any picture at all that you want, and then you upload it to Canva. So I have uploaded this photo onto Canva. Then the next thing that you do when it is done uploading is that you select it. So once you select it, it comes to your canvas. So we have our picture here. If you want the picture to fill the screen, you just click on it and just drag it. Just drag the picture and make sure that it fills up the entire screen if that's what you want. So you drag it and then let it fill up the entire screen. This picture doesn't really give us what we want because it already has writings on it, so it's not really going to give us what we're looking for. So let's delete all of that, and then let's do another one. Let's pick a picture that is blank, something that doesn't have anything written on it, and hope that that picture gives us what we want. Okay, fine. So let's say our book is on baby care. We're writing a book about baby care, how to take care of your baby, how to make your baby sleep, how to make your baby healthy, anything about babies. Let's say that's what we want to write about. And then we have this cute picture of a baby. So we have used the baby to fill the screen of the Canva. The next thing that we want to do now is to pick a text for our picture. So the first text is the title of our ebook. So we're going to pick the big heading. So we'll pick the big heading, add the heading, bigger font size. So we'll now say, um, let me see, having a healthy baby. For instance, let's say this is the title of our ebook. So you click on it and then move it here, and that's it. If you want to change the font type, you just click on it and then come here where you see open sans extra. You just use the drop down and then just pick, from the various options that you have, how you want the text to look like. So just pick any option that best appeals to you, whatever you want. Just pick and then select what you want. So let me not waste any of our time. Let me just, sorry, that one with the crown is for the pro version. I'm going to change it, so we'll just use anything. So we have chosen what we want. Then the next thing we have to write here is our name. So we'll pick, we can still use this or we can still use this depending on what you want. So then say your name is, I don't know why I just like Juliet. Let me just use Juliet again. So this is the name. So you click on it, then you drag it down to where you want it to be. And then if you don't like what's it called now, if you want to increase the font size, you can use this place. If you want to reduce it, you can use this place. If you want to change the font type, you come here. If you want to use text color, you come to this A and then you click on it, and then you have different colors to pick from, like a whole lot of colors to pick from. So you just pick the color that best suits what you want, and just use the color that you prefer. So that's how to do that. um Let me use this color. Yeah, it's okay. And then this is where the name is. We're going to leave the name as this. This is our ebook cover. We're done designing, and then next thing that you need to do is you have to come to share and click on it. And then when you click on share, you look for where you have the download button. So you have to drag your mouse down to download, and then this is download. So you click on download, and then the file type png, that's what we want. And then which we have, I think we have more than one page here. So we have 2 pages. We want to download this one, so you just select it, and then you now click on done, and then you now click on download. So there you have it. You have your book. I hope that this is clear enough. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll be right there to answer your questions. Thank you.